Hello, guys, and welcome to Airdrop Mastery. This is a very special video. Today, we are going to talk about the huge opportunities that can arise from running nodes. I am sure you have already heard people making thousands of dollars by running nodes, and you have no idea how to do that because it seems complicated and you think you need to be a developer to do that. The first part is true. We are literally talking about money that can change your life, and I'm going to explain this in a bit. I'm not even exaggerating. The second part, however, is false. You don't need to be a developer. And I'm going to show how to run nodes for their airdrops. We have seen projects that reward users that do certain tasks with a certain amount of the token. And the same project can reward node runners with 100%, 100 times the allocation that the normal users received. And let's see some numbers. Second, okay. Solana literally gave 3,500 SOL tokens to node runners. And okay, let's not take this price. Let's say a price of $100. That is literally $350,000. Same for TIA. Celestia users got 10,000 TIA for running a node. And let's take a current price of 17. That's $170,000 for testnet nodes. And Aptos was something more than $50,000. And same for Mina, something more than $80,000. So we talk about crazy, crazy amounts. And if the project indeed rewards node runners, then you're done. You're done for the bull cycle. You don't have to do anything else, literally. And as users doing tasks, we help the project. And similarly, we can help the project as developers, in this case, running nodes. And I'm going to show how easy this is. Most people are discouraged because they think they need to be developers. And no worries, I'm going to show everything. And if we get rewarded, we go to Dubai. And the big disclaimer here, projects do not say they will reward node runners. Matter of fact, I have seen in the Pryzm Discord, they literally said they will not reward node runners. However, a lot of projects have said that and indeed gave an airdrop. And this is where the good airdrops are, when projects say they won't reward users. And given the tokenomics of the project and the fact that they said they won't reward node runners, I have a feeling that they will. Of course, you don't have to follow this video if you think it is a waste of time. You can do your own research. And before jumping into the video, I'm going to very simply explain what nodes are. Nodes can be seen as a computer that confirms the transactions before they are added in the blockchain. And that's it. You don't have to know anything more. Basically, computers communicate with each other. They see if a transaction is indeed true. If it is, they validate it and they add it on the blockchain. In today's video, I will show how to run a node for Pryzm. Pryzm has already confirmed an airdrop for testnet users, which I am doing. But as I said, they said they will not reward node runners. And you can do this video even if you are not a Pryzm testnet user. Again, I'm going to say this one more time, and it's very important. I'm going to make this video for Pryzm because after looking at the project and the tokenomics, I think there's a good chance they will reward node runners, even though they said that they won't. And most of the time, projects do not reward developers for running nodes. This is the truth. This is more like an exception, but I really think this project will. However, if they decide to reward users, I just showed you the numbers. They are literally mind-blowing. And this is the reason I'm doing this video. It will cost around $20 and then monthly something like $11, $12. So I think it is worth the risk and the time. Okay, guys, let's get into the video. First step, we're going to need to rent a virtual private server in Contabo. So press the first link, come here. We're gonna get the second one. So here it says Cloud VPS 2. We're gonna press select, leave the 1 and 2 as it is. Yeah, leave that. For 3, there is an offer at the moment for 600 gigabytes, which is free. If it's not free for you, pick 400. It's more than enough, but since it's free, I'm just gonna go for 600 for this video. It doesn't matter. 4, we just leave it like that. 5, our username is root. It's going to be the same for all of you. Password, now pick a pick a proper password and just write it down because we're gonna need this. 6, 7, and 8, leave it as it is. Go next. Okay, here just pay with your card and fill in the details. I think if you try to pay with PayPal, you're gonna need some verifications. So just go with your card. It's gonna be $10 or $11 per month, something like that. So for step 2, we have to download Termius terminal. Come here, sign up with Google. It's absolutely free to download it for your Windows. So you open it up, press new host, top left corner, and Contabo has sent you an email. So you're gonna put your IP. They sent you an IP, just put it there. Don't share this IP with anyone. Come here, put your username. I'm gonna put root, and the password. It's the password we used before. So use that one. Label. I'm just gonna put Pryzm, but you can put whatever you want. Doesn't matter. And just double click it. And we are here in the Termius terminal right now. And for the next step, just copy paste the commands that we're going to find in this link. I'm just gonna show everything. Don't worry about it. So come here for install. Just press copy. Come back, press paste, right click or control V. I'm not sure what. Press space or enter. I'm sorry, press enter one more time. And you should be good. Takes some time. It says done. Okay. You can press enter 1, 2, 3 times. It doesn't matter how many. Press clear so it's nice and clear. So we're gonna skip the second part. We're gonna skip it. Be careful. We're gonna do 3. Come back, paste again. And we're gonna change this. It says your name. We're gonna put something else. So just backspace. And we're gonna put George. Press enter. Okay, install. Yeah, copy it. Come back. Right click again. Nothing too hard. Nothing too crazy. Press enter. 1, 2, 3 times. Doesn't matter how many. Go to step 5. Download compiled Pryzm whatever. Paste. And should be good. Press enter. Come back. Do the second one from step 5. Paste. Enter. Keep doing the same. Enter. Take the third step from step 5. Right click, control, paste, control V, paste. So for step 6, come back. Okay, again, paste. This is how it should look like. Okay, step 7, again, copy, paste, press enter, and press clear, because it's nice and easy, again. So copy step 8, right click. Same for step 9, come back. Usually this is too easy, just copy paste, press enter, second step of step 9, and this is how it should look like. This is not a mistake, so don't be afraid if this happens. Press clear, and let's go to step 10. Paste, of course, again, enter. 11, paste, enter. 12, we do the same. Paste, enter. Okay, same for 13, copy, paste, enter. 14 the same, copy, paste, enter. And now the biggest step is this one, download snapshots, copy, go back, paste, and we're gonna see all these things. So I'm gonna explain. So basically all nodes run blockchain data, and this data are being stored in blocks. Blocks in Pryzm are around 1.5 million, and new nodes start from 0 and go 1, 2, 3, 4 until they reach the final block. And this is very time consuming. So we download all this path until a certain point, for example, 1.4 million. And then the node starts until it reaches the last block. And it shows here time total spent and time total. When they become the same, it means it is done. So we're gonna wait a bit. Okay, see, now it's done. Press enter, and our node now is running. And to check it, that it runs, this is very important. Go 16, copy, paste. And yeah, in order to see that our node is running right now, after step 16, we come to the cheat sheet and go step 6, maintenance, get the second one, enter, and we see different things here. And we only care about the latest block height and catching up. I'm going to do this one more time to explain what we see. So the latest block height is this number, and then below it is this number higher, as you see here. So this means that our node is healthy and running up. So if this doesn't happen for you, don't worry. It may take 1 or 2, 3 minutes. And catching up, as you see here, it says true. And in order for this to become a validator, we want this to become false. Let's press clear. So we're going to come back every 1 or 2 hours and do this thing. And tomorrow, if you come a day later, this will become false. And yeah, this will say false. So come back for step 6. And we're going to make a wallet. We come back, put the same command. And here now it says false. So for the next step, step 6, now that it says false, we can create a new wallet now, and we're going to save the 12 seed phrase. Remember, don't share this with anyone. So to do that, come here, cheat sheet, go 1, managing keys, copy, paste, and you see here the address, and just copy all this info and paste it somewhere in a Word document, because we're going to need all of these. And of course, you're going to need the seed phrase, and we're going to need the address and the seed phrase. The address, because we're going to send tokens. So to create a new wallet, let me take a moment. Okay, for the next step, let's go to the faucet and send the Pryzm tokens. Let's do that first. And come here and paste this address. I already showed this where it is. So come here, take it, copy, paste it here, do the CAPTCHA, verify you're not a robot, request tokens, and come back here. So now that the tokens came, we can continue making the node into a validator. So to do that, we come here, last step, check the wallet balance. Let's see what we got. We don't have anything at the moment, so it might take a while to receive the tokens. And another way to check it, you can come back here, press create add wallet, import an existing wallet, use recovery phrase, take the 12 words, paste them in, and I'm gonna name this Pryzm validator. Remember, never show your 12 seed phrase to anyone. I'm gonna type Pryzm, so we have the tokens here as well. It's a 0, so we haven't received them yet. That's no problem. Come back. Okay, some time passed, and now we see that we got them. And you can also, if you don't import it, you can take again this command, copy it, paste it, and you see 8 million something it says. It's actually 8 point something. And now we come here. Okay, so before we post it, come here, paste this in a Word document or anything. And we're gonna change this. So we're gonna put George, because we put George. If you remember, identity doesn't matter, put 1, 2, 3. Details, I'm gonna put this is a good validator. That's fine. Website, if you don't really need that, I'm gonna put george.com. And take this and now you paste it and we're good. And okay, it says gas estimate. So there was some gas. Let's see if indeed. Let's refresh. Yeah. So now it's up and running. We turn this into a validator. And so if everything is all right, we go to step 9 to verify this. Open this up. And our name was George. So we come here and we see it's right there. 1 token or something. Yeah, 1 token. So let's put the rest that we received. We have another 8 or 7. To do that, we come back to the cheat sheet, go to step 3, and it's a third one. Delegate tokens, paste it, and move there. And we're gonna put 7 right there, because we have 7, enter. And it should be good now. Let's see. Verified. Yes. That's awesome. So now we can press refresh. And let's search our validator. Okay, it's right here. We went up in rank. We put some more and we went to 400 something. So that's great. And that's pretty much it, guys. We don't have to do anything else. I'm going to press clear. So it's nice and clear. And just right top every now and then to make sure it is running. It says Pryzm, so it's all good. Press clear. And that was the end of the video, guys. And if you have any questions or you need help with anything, make sure to join the Discord. I will always be there and try to help you. And if you're interested into other videos on nodes, please hit comment, like, and subscribe.